Ever pondered on how to create a YouTube channel that not only shares your unique ideas but also makes money? Today, we delve into the nitty-gritty of starting a successful YouTube channel. First and foremost, establish your Google account. This is your passport to the world of YouTube. Once you've done that, navigate to YouTube and sign in. Now comes the exciting part. Your YouTube channel needs a catchy name that resonates with your intended content and audience. After you've named your channel, don't forget to create some eye-catching channel art and a memorable thumbnail. These are the first impressions viewers will have of your channel, so make them count. Once your channel looks the part, it's time to start sharing your content. Upload your videos to YouTube and watch as your channel begins to come to life. But wait, what about the money-making part? There are 3 simple steps to follow. First, open an AdSense account. This is Google's advertising program that allows you to earn money by placing ads on your YouTube videos. Second, consider joining affiliate programs. These programs allow you to promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your channel. Lastly, consider seeking sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for new platforms to advertise their products and services. If your channel aligns with their target audience, they might just sponsor your content. Remember, the journey to a thriving YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, consistency, and a dash of creativity are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. And of course, feel free to leave any comments or questions below. I'm always here to help. Now go forth and conquer the world of YouTube. Remember, the world is your stage and your channel is your spotlight. Make it count. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Until next time,